So we're gonna make lamb garden and lamb fat, Rosh, onions, ginger and garlic paste, with some green chilies, and obviously salt it up a bit, and you've got some nice charred potatoes. Make them in these terracotta pots in the oven. Let's see what happens. So we have sliced the potatoes and the onions according to how much we can fit in these pots, and we have sliced up the garlic and ginger, and my assistant sous chef here, he's basically making a paste with the green chilies. So now we will mix the paste into the meat. Again, this is lamb neck meat, so it should be quite succulent and bony. Make sure you get all the pastes up this time. So now we will mix the paste we made. Rub it right into the meat, so look at really well. So we'll just add salt to the garlic, ginger and green chili paste. I think that should be enough. Now that the meat is salted, and we're going to put it into the pot, so put 2 in each. Squeeze it in. Adjust it. Yeah, so you have to put the fat equally, okay, in the bottom. So Chef Harris is preparing the foil cover. We don't have lids for our terracotta pots, so we will improvise and just use foil. The meat is tightly packed in. There's gaps under it because there's the onion and the potato pieces. So almost forgot the lemon. Just as I was putting it, I remembered. Squeeze the lemon in. Citric acid acts as a tenderizer. So ripsy. So we'll pop these. Preheat the oven to 250. Center there. I left the fan on so that there's good convection. And we'll put a timer. 2 hours. And reduce the heat a bit. Down to 200. There's obviously steam building up, you can see. So 1.5 hours later, and we have our zoom in. This is the smaller of the two. Oh, so this is lamb fat, with potatoes. Yummy, 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 yummy.